guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, or Main Rebel, here on YouTube and on Instagram, and you can find me on TikTok also. And today I'm just gonna do my roots, and I'm going to refresh my color a little bit because I have a wedding to go to. I usually don't like to do this myself because there's just so much room for error, and of course I went a little long this time, so these roots are extra long for me. And today all I'm gonna use is bleach, 20 volume, some cotton, bowl and a brush, oh hi Elliot, and just like a tail comb and some clips. So like I said, I don't normally like to do this on my own, and when I do this on my own, I usually get another mirror behind me, which is exactly what I'm gonna do because I need to see the back. Like there's no way I can do this without a mirror. And I'm gonna start in the back. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I'm gonna do this. And that's pretty much it. These are my extensions, so I'm gonna take them out real quick and then we'll get started. So I've taken out my extensions and I've gotten my mirror. So first things first is section your hair into 4 sections. So your sectioning should look something like this. It's pretty simple, and this is the bleach that I'm using, Blondor by Wella, 20 volume, and I'm mixing it as a 1:2 ratio. So to begin, I like to start in the back, and I like to outline the entire section first. When doing a bleach touch-up, you just have to be very cautious to not overlap onto the old bleach, because that's what's going to create damage. Side note, if your roots are longer than mine, there is a big chance that you might get a gold band. So try not to let your regrowth get too long before touching it up. This is where things start to get a little technical. I like to go back to that same section in the bottom corner, get paper thin sections, and I like to paint the top and bottom of every section. So here I'm painting the bottom. I'm putting a piece of cotton where the new bleach is meeting the old bleach to prevent it from overlapping. And then while I'm painting the top section, I also paint the bottom of the next section. And then I finish it off with another piece of cotton, and the following section is gonna lay right on top of that. And then I just paint the top. You wanna make sure that you have enough product on there for it to do its job. So I pretty much just follow this pattern all the way to the top of the section and throughout my entire head. This is a very, very long process. Lady, oh my God, dude, I have cats. I usually don't allow them in this room, but every time they're in here, they're scratching something. I'm just continuing the same thing on the other side, and hopefully I'll be done soon. So when it comes to my 2 sides, I only outline the section that is separating the front and the back. I kind of avoid going around my hairline because those hairs tend to be fragile and lift very quickly. So I'm just applying the lightener there section by section. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the back left corner is done. So I'm gonna start taking out some of these, this shit, I don't know. So as helpful as the cotton is, it's really annoying to remove, but I just like to put my tail comb through the section and just pull it right out. And while I'm doing this, I'm also checking my sections to see how they are lifting. I know for a fact that I missed some pieces, so this is a good time to go back and resaturate. And for those of you wondering, when you know it's done, you're looking for a color that looks like this, or as I like to refer to it, the inside of a banana peel. So this section is almost done. but there were some few pieces that I missed, so I'm just going back and resaturating. I'm gonna rinse out this bottom half down here and then just keep the rest on. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. At this point, I had already rinsed out that bottom section, so I'm just going in and taking out all the cotton and going back and checking and resaturating. Okay, so that took me probably 3 hours, maybe 3.5 from beginning to end, but it came out so good. Let me show you the back. So once my hair is lifted, it's ready to color. These are my color of choice: Nemesis by PULP RIOT and Mercury, also by PULP RIOT. Now I actually ended up having a little trouble with the gray/silver sticking to my hair. It had no issue sticking to what I have just lifted, but in my previous lift it did not get as light. So in a few seconds you're going to see how I'm going to fix that. So I don't know if you can tell, but this is what I mean. This is the gold band that didn't cover very well using the semi-permanent color. So I'm actually going to fix it by using a permanent hair color by Wella 9-81, and I'm only going to be mixing it with 10 volume. And I'm only going to apply it to my roots. This covers so well, I don't know why I didn't do this sooner, but coming up, keep your eye on the left side because I'm going to do a side-by-side of what it looked like before and after. It's such a big difference. This is what my hair looks like after that Wella. It looks so much better. You can't even tell that there's a trace of yellow. It looks so good, and I'm so happy that I did that. And it's honestly just so late, so I'm just gonna blow dry this real quick. I'm gonna go to bed, and then I'll come back another day. And of course, I never ended up finishing this video, so I hope these pictures do it justice. I love the way my hair color came out. There was no yellow. It was great. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys here next time. Bye.